Hello, Tinnick High School staff. I am trying something new. I would like to record the new process of doing a purchase request. We are trying to migrate to a paperless system for a few reasons. We have a couple of spots in the system where things are either being bypassed or things might be getting lost, purchase requests are getting lost, and so we're trying to tidy up that and close any gaps we have in our line. So what I would like you to do now is we're going to start from the purchase request that you can get from tinnick.org. I suggest that you download it and put it in a folder somewhere on your desktop or your laptop. And so as you can see on the screen there, I have a THS purchase request. It needs to be one that you've downloaded just recently. We have actually edited this. Mark Allen has edited this just a few hours ago, so you need to get a new one. But everything is the same for the most part. Let's just say you're running something from Amazon, since 90% of what we order is from Amazon. And so you fill out the fields. And you date it and all the things that you normally do. Okay? And then the only some of you are doing this, some of you are not doing this, but the thing that you need to do is you need to enter a quantity, a brief description. Yes, I need you to enter a brief description. We have been nicked a little bit on auditing by the state. That is why we do these forms. They're not just to slow you down or be a pain in the butt. And so we need a brief description. So I'm looking at ordering packaging tape. And then below that, I would like you to add a link. So I've got a link of some packaging tape that I need to get. I'm going to copy the link there. This is different than the wish list. This is going to be a little different. You paste it into there, and you're good. Now, it's little. It's hard to see. But what happens is this gets sent to me, or it gets forwarded on to Angie, and she's able to click on that, copy and paste it, and let it roll, and order it. So, I forgot the total. This is $15.79. Okay, so I've pretty much got this done, except for what do we usually do here? We print it out and we'd have it signed. Well, that's what we want to not do. Okay, so what you're going to do up here is up here you'll see a pin. It says signed document. Now, I've already set this up. So when you do that, when you click that sign thing, you'll be able to actually put your own signature in there and set up so that you've got a saved signature in your computer. So then you take this saved signature and you drag it down here. Pretty nice, right? Now you'll notice it says share your document. Now I would avoid this because it basically takes you into the pay feature of Adobe, and you can do this without paying. We can't afford to purchase Acrobat for every single teacher. So I just press done. And then I save it. I use the save as function, and I have a spot on my computer where I save all forms, and you should too, so that you have a paper trail. And I'm going to save it, and I'm going to put THS purchase request test document, and I put a date. Or I would put THS purchase request, a little description maybe, and a date. And I save it. Okay? And there it is. Then what you're going to do is you're going to attach that document and send it to me, where I will digitally sign it as well. So no more leaving these in the basket. we're trying to go paperless. This is new, and it's something that we've got to work through, and it'll take a little bit of learning, but I think it'll actually be nicer because we'll all have copies of what's going on. But if you find holes in what we're doing, please come talk to me. If you found this confusing, please come talk to me. I'd like to help and I'd like to get you through it. So thanks, everybody.